Hey everyone, so we want to show you quickly how you can generate a property profile using PCT Title Toolbox. Once you're logged in, it's going to show you a big map just like this, and what we want to do is we want to scroll over here to the top left where it says property search. Click on that. When we do so, it's going to bring up our box just like this. We have the ability to look or search for a property by address, owner, or parcel. For the most part, we're always going to use the property address because that's just probably the easiest way of doing things. So I'll enter mine, and as I begin to type just a few letters, it incorporates the Google autofill to make it even that much easier to find the property. We go ahead and we hit search once we select the one we want, and it's going to go ahead and give us the aerial view here on the map on the left hand side. So as you can see, the little pin will be the property in question. All the surrounding property and parcels are outlined in white. So if you wanted to, figure out what this neighbor is or what this property is, all you have to do is click on that. But for today's example, we're going to go ahead and just focus on our property here. So we go up to our table, right, where it gives us all the basic information in terms of APN, tract, square footage. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit this little gear button and press generate report. Now what that's going to do, it's going to ask us what do we want. We want an HTML page or a PDF document. We want a PDF document of the property profile. We hit generate report. Okay, then here it's going to bring up a little quick sheet where it's going to ask you if you want to update the comparables that are being provided, right? So here are all the comps that are going to be used. It's telling you, great, it's looking at basically a mile out, but you can change this to half a mile, quarter mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, right? Same thing for the beds and baths and square footage percentage, right? So it's defaulted here at a 20%, which means it's looking for anything within above 20% or below 20% of the square footage, right? To just kind of try to incorporate as many comparables to help you determine the right sales price. So if you made any changes here, we would press update results. Now, since we have not made any changes whatsoever, I'll let those police sirens go. We basically hit generate profile. All right, so it's going to go ahead and create the actual report for us, and it's going to give us two quick links. The first one being if we wanted to actually view the report instantly in our PDF viewer, just like that, right? So here's our report, okay? All the information that we want to know about the property and most realtors will need. Or if you wanted to email the report, you click on this link on the right hand side. When we do so, it will actually look for anybody that is signed up under you within your account, right? So all you have to do is basically either search for them, so you can pull them up, click on the button, and just hit send email, just like that. If you don't have anybody in general there, you can just physically type the email here at the top, and it'll also send them the report. That's as easy as it is, and we hope this helps. Thanks, everyone.